What's up, YouTube? So today, guys, I have a new unboxing video here today. I previously did unboxing video on this before, but I also want to do a real unboxing video on this here now today. So as you guys can see here, this is the camera that I've been recording with on my YouTube channel. If you guys been wondering, this is what you guys been seeing, good camera quality coming from. I'm recording on my phone, but let's get into this right now. We're gonna be unboxing the Canon. It's called the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II. So this camera here is a good camera. We're gonna be recording from it. This is what I'll be recording on my vlogs and my videos and all that good stuff. I have new videos coming soon. Don't worry. A lot of y'all have been unsubscribing or whatever the case may be, or acting fake or whatever. It's all good because, you know, I spend money into this shit. We're gonna make it work. We're actually gonna show you guys trying something out with your life, doing something with your life is the key why you here. And why you here on earth, your purpose is to make something work. That being said, we're gonna pop this box open right now. I'll show you guys the accessories that comes inside this box. It comes with some UBS cords as well. The UBS cords, I don't have them right now, but I can show you some cords that I gotta pull them on my camera bag and all that shit. But I can show you guys, etc. what comes with it. Comes with the manual as well. As you guys see, the manual. You don't need the manual. It just comes with this in there as well. And then itself, voila, the camera. Now, what you guys gonna see, my camera, how my camera looks is fully upgraded. I bought new accessories for my camera, so I can put like a cover lens over it so it keeps it clean. Also, I can be able to put a better lens on there. I just haven't bought the lens yet. I have multiple tripods. I have like this tripod right here, this one here, and then I have the one that I'm using right now. I'll show you guys in a second. I also have a small one. 1 second, I'll show you guys the small one as well. Back to it, I have this one here. I have this tripod here. It's a big one. This one I was just using for the phone as well. It's called the Ulanzi MT41. It's a good tripod for the camera and for your cell phone here. You know what I'm saying? The cell phone goes right in there or whatever. So also this one is in here. This is my other tripod here. It can go around like anything and grabs and holds it, stay there stable forever, so you can get good shots or whatever. I also got another tripod coming for this Christmas as well. But this is my other tripod here that I've been using as well for the cell phone. Also, it has a part you can put this one here, the flashlight as well. The flashlight, it's a flashlight as well that I'm using. It's an Umazi flashlight. That's what I'm using as well. Also, I want to show you guys, look at this. Uh-oh, I dropped that on the floor, so don't worry about it right now. I'll figure it out. 1 second. Here's another one. Here's the tripod here. You can hold it for the camera. And it slides up right here. Like this one here, I'll show you guys how tall these are so you guys can see for yourself. I'm showing off my tripods right now because a lot of you guys wondering, what do you guys record from on your channel? What do you do? I want to show you guys all my stuff because we're going to record from this stuff. And I don't want people to be scared when they be like, yo, oh, that's what you're recording from. Oh, okay. Yeah, because we're doing this shit. We taking it serious, no cap. I got people that's really working with me, so I love all the people that supported my channel. Love you guys. Just want to let you guys know, happy holidays out there. Appreciate y'all. Hope you guys get what you want for Christmas. Stay tuned to PS5 videos. I got new gaming videos coming soon, so just waiting for new games to come out. Yeah. Peace. Alright, so I was about to show you guys the camera settings. This is what the camera looks like from the back or whatever. And I'll show you guys how the camera, my camera, I gotta get it like kind of a little fixed where it's a little wobbly. Like the door right here is a little wobbly. Might take it to the shop or whatever. So I don't know what's wrong with it. But, you know, I dented it up a couple times. I actually dropped it a few times, but it's right there as you guys see. Don't worry about that. But I want to talk about the front of my camera here. This here, y'all, it's a new modification to the camera. It's a new modification. It's new also, and then this strap here is new. You can find these stuff on Amazon. If you guys want me to leave the link, I will leave the link in there. I'll have to clean this out right here. I don't know what's that right there. What's that? It's probably some green mode or whatever. I don't know. It's trying to make my camera mode or whatever it is. But I'm going to show you guys the settings. Here we go. 1 second. I got to disconnect that off there or it's not going to work. Shuts it down automatically. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and here we go. So we're going to load it on. I'm going to show you guys. Let me go to the camera settings. Menu. See, I'm going to show you guys what I really shoot from. Let's go ahead and keep going. Show you guys my camera settings. these are my folders. So alright, it has wireless settings, so you can it's Mark II, and then menu. I'm still learning this camera, but you guys can see it shoots good. If you guys can see from how clear it looks, you can zoom in. If it ever zooms out, let's see, zoom it out a little bit. Let's mess it up a little bit, but this is a good camera. Let me cut it off right here. I'm gonna put the tripod on here so you guys see how it looks with the tripod on there. Everybody really has one of these good cameras because they're expensive, but it's a Mark II, Canon Mark II, so I advise everybody to get one. I'm really gonna upgrade and get the Sony version, or I might get the Mark III version next year in 2023. But I appreciate y'all subscribe to my channel. I love everybody, appreciate everybody so much, and I love y'all support. And just continue to support my videos. Don't hate on me. Hey, I know my channel might not be dropping any good videos, but we have a lot of good stuff coming soon, so don't worry. That being said, we'll see you guys in another video. Peace. Boy Trippin' TV signing out.